Hello students. Here the concept is basic character. In this case, look at here some orders are given. We have to look at basic character increasing order and what is the reason behind this. Look at here, first one is lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide and the cesium hydroxide. Basic character means whenever we are talking in the periods from left to right, non-metallic character increases so that acidic character increases. Whenever from top to bottom in groups, metallic nature increases so that basic nature increases here. So look at here, this is the first A group elements here. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. From top to bottom, metallic character increases so that basic nature automatically increases here. This is first one. Coming to the second one, here it is of beryllium, magnesium, calcium and the barium here. So look at this is the second A group elements from top to bottom. We already know that basic character increases as the metallic nature increases. And look at in this case, third case, beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide and the strontium oxide is given here. In this case of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. So here it is of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and the barium. All these are the second A group elements. So that from top to bottom, metallic nature increases as the basic nature increases here. So this is the order here. Coming to the next one, here look at in this case nickel oxide, magnesium oxide, strontium oxide, potassium oxide, cesium oxide is given. So here different groups of elements are present here. In this case, this potassium and the cesium is the first year group elements. Whenever this magnesium and the strontium is of the second year group elements. From left to right, we already know that acidic nature will be increases. So this means first year group elements will be having of the more basic character. And this potassium and the cesium, this is of potassium and the cesium from top to bottom. We have to consider in the top to bottom here. Top to bottom, metallic nature increases so that basic nature increases. Cesium is having of the higher basic character than that of the potassium. And coming to the, in this case of the second A group elements, magnesium, look at here, I already written here, magnesium and the strontium. From top to bottom, metallic nature increases so that basic nature increases here. Strontium will be having of more basic character and magnesium. Which is the least one here? In this case, nickel oxide is the least one. Coming to the next one, look at in this case of CO2, B2O3, BeO and the lithium oxide. These are the period elements. From left to right. So look at here it is of lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. From left to right, acidic nature will be increases. That means first year group elements are having of more basic character than that of the second year group elements, third year group elements and the fourth year group elements. Least basic character is of the carbon and next one is of the B2O3 and the more basic character for the lithium. Coming to the next one, here it is of silicon oxide, alumina, magnesium oxide and sodium is given. This sodium oxide will be the first year group elements, magnesium is the second year group elements, alumina is the third year group elements and silica is the fourth year group elements. From this, we can say that first year group elements are having of more basic character than that of the second, third and the fourth. Fourth one is the least basic character. Coming to the next one, SpH3, AsH3, PH3 and the NH3. Basic character, all these are the nitrogen family. All these are the nitrogen group elements here. So in this case of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and the bismuth. All these elements are having of one lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons means donation of the lone pair of electrons, which is said to be the basic character. Donation of lone pair of electrons, which indicates that basic character will be increases here. In this case, nitrogen is having of more basic character. Nitrogen is having of more basic character than that of the antimony hydride. Antimony hydride here, because smaller size of atom, small size of atom, more donation of lone pair, so that basic character increases. Here we can say that nitrogen is having of more basic character, ammonia is having of more basic character than that of PH3. Third one is of arsenic hydride, and next one is the antimony hydride. Basic character will be decreases from top to bottom. From top to bottom, as the size increases, the donation capacity will be, the sharing of the lone pair will be decreases here. That's why we can say that basic character will be decreases from top to bottom in the case of nitrogen family. Whereas in the case of F minus, oxygen, NH2 minus, CH3 minus. So look at here, these are the period elements. These are the period elements. Now in this case, we will write it as carbon. Next one is NH3. Next one, water and fluorine. Right? Carbon, nitrogen, and here it is of HF, hydrogen fluoride. From left to right, acidic character increases. Acidic nature increases. Whenever we are taking the conjugate base of this, look at in this case, acidic character increases means this is the strongest acid. This is the strongest acid here. Whenever we are taking the conjugate base means here it is of CH3 minus, NH2 minus, OH minus, and F minus. Strongest acid is having of the weaker conjugate base. So basic character will be less here. Basic character will be less. That means we can say that F minus is having of less basic character than that of OH minus, and next one NH2 minus, and here it is of CH3 minus. Otherwise, we can say that from left to right, acidic nature increases, so that basic nature will be decreases here. And we are taking of the conjugate basis of this as acids here. So this is the order of the basic strengths for the particular compounds here. Hope you are enjoyed this session. Thank you.